Hi everyone, welcome back to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I'll be looking at the CAD yen. What I have here is the CAD yen on the 4 hour. There's a very nice intraday opportunity that we can take advantage of. But let me just show you guys how I'm going to derive my target. Now, we see that price is in a downtrend starting from here. Price went down, came back up, came back down, came back up, came back down, came back up. The next leg we can expect price to do is actually to come back down. Right, so what we can do is actually just set a target here first at a recent swing low. Okay, let me just find that support. Okay. Now, we can use Fibonacci extension from the place the movement start, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, and open up all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the 161.8 is actually right at this level here. Right, so let's highlight the 161.8. And next, we actually can look at this internal movement, right, starting from here. Again, using Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. And we can open up all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the 61.8 this time is at that level as well. So we're starting to find levels that the Fibonacci ratios are actually ending up at. And this then can be our Fibonacci confluence area. So this will be our target on the 4 hours. Now, if we were to look at where price reacted recently, right, this spike here, and we look to the left, we see that actually it is a very strong support turn resistance level. So we got our resistance, we've got our support. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this is what we see. We see price has really pushed back up, made a bearish engulfing over here, right? So we can expect price to come back down. Okay, so if anything, we can actually wait for a break of this. Use this as our a break and a close. Use this as our sell entry with this recent swing low. With this recent swing low as our take profit. Right, and of course, should price break above this level, okay, let's back it up a bit. Price break above this level, right, we can use this as a stop loss. So there you have it. All we're doing is waiting for a break and a close of this sell entry level at 78.795. Now, next, we see the price is definitely making a downwards trend, right? We can connect all the highs, and this is something that we get. Okay, price tested once, came close a second time, and touched a third time. So price is also holding below a descending trendline resistance. Now that we have our direction and we have our levels, we just want to put a final nail in the coffin, so to say, a confirmation. Let's put in moving average. Okay, the moving average actually tells us the trend. Alright, so I'm going to be using a slightly bigger level, okay, because this takes place over many candles. So maybe 55 moving average. And we see a 55 moving average holds the downtrend really nicely with this small spike here. Maybe you can back it up a bit to 89. 89 moving average on the 1 hour holds the downtrend even nicer, right? With one test and rejection. There was a previous test and rejection at this area as well, and another test and rejection at this area. So price is holding below the 89 moving average, holding below a descending trendline resistance, right? And also at a key Fibonacci level, right? We can take a swing high to the low, open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, I'm thinking this is the 50%, right? And price reacted right there. Okay, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. It's quite a clean and simple intraday trade opportunity. I hope that you guys can also review your own analysis and hopefully come to the same conclusion. Right, so if price were to break above our stop loss, break and close above our stop loss, right, we can flip the trade the other way because we know that the stop loss is the level where our trade idea is invalidated. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.